This has to be one of my masterpiece projects in so many different ways, and I couldn't have been more excited to introduce this to you. Hey, how you doing? I'm sorry, but to be honest, that was a question to your plants. Let me elaborate the simple equation. You are well, only then your plants will be well. So if I ask you, how are your plants? And you say great, 100% you're even better. So yeah, I'm out of danger now, right? I am? Hello? Yeah? Okay, you said yes. So what are we getting into today? First, if you want to make a bonsai and not sure where to start, well, I guarantee you that after watching this video, you will have a great head start. Second, another great content dealing with one of the most exciting plants ever, our very own Bougainvillea. And third, and without a doubt the most important, together we will try and peel varied layers of science of cuttings. So sit back and enjoy the video as this journey for the ages begins. As I always say in all my videos, you'll find caution and encouragement wrapped as one, because excitement needs caution to see us to safety while we try to propagate plants. However, this video is different. This is not for the faint-hearted. Reasons: not easy to procure such old and thick cuttings. Not easy to get the potting soil combination perfect. And these cuttings can prove to be as finicky as possible. So all in all, you got to do all things right over and over again. Ideal thickness, girth of the cutting, a young kid's forearm, 1 to 2 inches in diameter, that is. Ideal length, again think of a young kid's forearm. Timeline: as soon as these big and thick cuttings are separated from parent, within 5 minutes they should be sitting in water, otherwise they might fail even before you have started them. You got to repeat these simple steps which we have been doing regularly with our normal Bougainvillea cuttings. Number 1, cut the base at an angle 45 degrees and closer. 2, scar the bottom part, an inch should work well. 3, make these cuttings sit in cinnamon and water solution for about 4 hours. One thing you have to bring into account here, given these cuttings are so big and so are the wounds, especially the one at the top. To avoid infection, make sure you sterilize it using wax. Now comes the important part, soil. Use 80% sand and 20% coco peat. This mix is just for the beginning. Once roots are established, you can revive the soil mix. Pot. Get a pot which is just about the size of the cutting, not bigger and no way smaller. Sitting area for these cuttings when they are potted. These heavy cuttings would not mind sun at all, so place them wherever you feel like. Do not shy away from watering them every 2 days. Given their size, they should be gulping down a lot of water. Simply think of them as trees, so water accordingly. Growth. Now I'm sure you would be quite excited about the results, how it would pan out for you. They will show first signs of growth after a month, and some might even take longer. So keep doing what you've been doing. Once the first few leaves are out, it would surprise you how quickly they grow, given their age and adaptability at its peak. After 3 months, you'll see roots starting to go crazy, so you got to wait another 2 months after you see first leaves and before you can even think about repotting. I'm sure you enjoyed the video. Please make sure you like this video and subscribe to my channel. You were a great audience and I wish you all the luck and energy to start one such cutting right away. And if you got any questions, suggestions, please comment below. Enjoy the week and buy, grow or borrow some more plants. Your garden can never have enough of them. Take care. Bye-bye.